How to delete incognito history on iPhone. To get started, you first need to open up Settings on your iPhone. Once you have opened the settings, you can access all the primary features of your iPhone from here. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Tap on Apps once you find it. Here, you can manage all the default apps on your iPhone. Now, you need to find the Safari app. Scroll down and tap on it. Once you're in, scroll all the way to the bottom. Here, tap on the Advanced option. After that, tap on Website Data. Then, tap on the Remove All Website Data button. Now, select the Remove Now option. This will even clear data that could be used for tracking, but is also used by websites to preserve login information and to speed up browsing. You can't undo the action, so be very sure while doing it. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete incognito history on iPhone.